hidden inside a corroded bronze hull recovered from a shipwreck off the Greek island of Antikythera. A complex gear-driven device unveils a level of engineering thought impossible for the ancient world, dating to around 100 BC. The Antikythera Mechanism comprises over 30 interlocking bronze wheels and pinions that calculate the position of the sun, moon, and planets, predict lunar and solar eclipses, and track the 18-year metonic cycle that synchronizes solar years with lunar months. By turning a crank, the user could align a set of dials displaying the zodiac, the phases of the moon, and the timing of the ancient Olympic Games, effectively serving as a mechanical calendar and astronomical computer. Modern X-ray tomography and 3D modeling have revealed inscriptions and gear ratios that mirror modern epicyclic gearing, suggesting that Hellenistic scholars possessed sophisticated knowledge of celestial mechanics and gear design long before medieval clockwork. The mechanism's discovery shattered the belief that such intricate technology vanished after antiquity, showing instead that a tradition of precision engineering once thrived, only to be lost for centuries. Its study not only illuminates the scientific achievements of ancient Greece, but also inspires contemporary engineers to appreciate the timeless ingenuity of gear-based computation.